on the skin. Press the serum on the skin, and this one is also good to go under your eyes. So don't be afraid to put it all around your eyes, especially the crow's feet area. Now take that serum down on your neck and your décolleté. This is gonna lighten, brighten, boost collagen and elastin in the skin.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Now when it comes on to clearing hyperpigmentation from my skin, lightening and brightening my skin, when it comes on to giving my skin a natural glow, I like to try some home remedies. One of my favorite to use on the skin is the tomato facial serum. I made my own anti-aging facial serum. Now I'm telling you, it have to clear my skin up so fast. Now it's a simple recipe using fresh tomatoes. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share the recipe to see if it can work on your skin as well as it work on my skin. You're looking for bright skin, you're looking for clear skin, you're looking for that natural glow, then why not try this recipe? So come on with me. Let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up.
Now here I have some fresh tomatoes, and for this recipe I like using the fresh tomato. It doesn't matter what type you have. These are some plum tomatoes, and these are what I'm going to use to make my facial serum. So to begin, I'm going to take one of the tomato, and we're making just a small batch. Therefore, I'm using a half of the plum tomato. To prepare the tomato, the first thing I'm going to do is to extract the juice. Extracting the juice of the tomato, you need to either blend the tomato or grate the tomato. I have a small blender, so I'm going to be blending my tomato. Now, because my blender is small, I like to chop the tomato in small pieces for easier blending. If you have a grater and you're going to grate, just go ahead and grate the tomato. Now, once the tomato is chopped, then I'm going to reach for my blender. I'm going to place the tomatoes in my blender. And then I'm going to add some liquid, and my liquid of choice is rose water. Rose water is hydrating to the skin and help to balance the natural pH levels of the skin. I'm going to be using about 3 tablespoons of rose water. If you want the thicker serum, go ahead and use less rose water. Now that that is done, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some antibacterial properties in the form of basil. These are great for acne on the skin. I'm using the dry basil today. If you have fresh basil, go ahead and use it. 1 teaspoon of dry basil or about 3 teaspoons of fresh basil. Now once this is done, I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. Now after blending, the next step is to strain. And I like to use a strainer. You can choose to strain with a cheesecloth. We're getting rid of any lumps that might be in the mixture. And there I have a big piece of my tomato that didn't get blended. Now once that is done, guys, as I said, I am just going to strain, and I like to use a spoon to just press on it to get everything out, and even that piece of chunk of tomato. Now my spoon is going to crush it, and I can still get the puree from the tomato. So go ahead and strain with a strainer or a cheesecloth. And now here we have our tomato basil rose water mixture. Now we're going to turn this into the serum by adding some other ingredient. We're adding some moisturizing properties in the form of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a very light oil, will not clog the pores. It's a good oil for most skin type, even if you have oily skin. 1 teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. Next, I'm going to add some aloe vera gel, and we're using the one that is really jelly-like, since we're going to change this mixture into a gel-like consistency. So here we have the aloe vera gel, and I'm using about a teaspoon, a rounded teaspoon of the aloe vera gel. Now, because they have this ingredient in the aloe vera gel that thicken the aloe vera gel, it's also gonna thicken the serum and make it more of a serum-like consistency. Also, because we use this aloe vera gel, it is also gonna help to preserve this natural tomato serum a little longer, an extra day or two. And now the serum is ready. So first thing that I'm going to do with this serum is to test the serum. And I recommend that you test anything that you're using on the skin for DIY, especially if it have any form of an acid like the tomato. So first I place it on my hands and then I just rub it in. And yes, it is very serum-like and it feels really, really soft. So I'm just rubbing it on my hand, let it sit on my hand for about an hour or so. And now I know it is good to use on the face. So just go ahead and rinse off. Now when you're using this serum on the skin, a little goes a long way. So apply the serum and clean skin right after you apply your toner, and you are gonna just blend it in the skin in circular motion. You're gonna go to sleep with this. Up on the rising in the morning, you're gonna rinse off, preferably with cold water. This serum is gonna help to clear pigmentation on the skin, such as sunspots, acne scars, and also any form of dark under eye circles or even dark neck. Now store this in the refrigerator. I like to store mine in a small container. You can also use this as a spot treatment serum. If you have spots over the face and not the entire face, use a Q-tip and apply it on the spots. This is made to use as often as you can. Give it time to work on the skin for the maximum result. Store this in the refrigerator. Use it up within 7 to 10 days.
And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to try this tomato facial serum. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.